Today, um, it just rained. It's 7 something. I just woke up. It's a Saturday. I'm gonna take y'all for a ride. I needed this myself, to be honest. I wanted to head down to the nature park, go for a walk. So real quick, I'm gonna take a shower, and then we're gonna go to the nature park. We're gonna drive over there. We're gonna make some moves. Now, this is the start of my morning. The only thing I really did, was create the stream, create the title and whatnot. My dad has my selfie stick, so it's gonna be all by hand. It's gonna be all just me. Damn. I figured the first thing I should do, do my normal shit, take a shower, brush my teeth, head on out there, explore the world, see what's going on. So we finna make some moves today. This is gonna be a hell of a stream. It might be 2 hours or whatnot. But this is gonna be the kind of stream that's going to be pretty chill. We're just gonna talk about what we can talk about. Thing that we all have in common, life. I just got a message. I'm gonna ignore that shit because today we're hanging out. My dad leaves today for a month. He's going to Paris. So I'm gonna be on my own. I figured, why not stream what do they call it? A mafia-thon? Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know the lingo. But why not stream my own 30-day thing? My dad's gonna be gone for a month or 20 days, maybe, I don't know. So it might be less. I don't know how that got there. But we're streaming. And I'm gonna make the home part the fastest part so we can get straight to the walk. I'm gonna take a shower. Luckily, I do have shorts on. Okay? I made sure to be stream presentable, I might have to put down the phone at times. And it might be boring sitting there waiting like, oh, what the fuck is he doing? Nigga, I'm putting on fucking clothes, okay? So, I'm gonna take my shower. I decided to do this landscape-wise. So that's why it's like this. Because I wanted to do it better for YouTube. I will try and clip some content. So I will try and do short form too. Let's go. Okay. So first things first, set up the shower. I will be showering with these on because I have no other idea how to do it. And I do want to make this an immersive experience type shit. Now we gotta use our brain thinking caps because I don't have my selfie stick. How am I gonna do this shit? Just prop you up right here. I wanna be doing a good job. Oh shit. What am I gonna do? Maybe I should just skip the shower. Oh, but I'll need the shower, man. It's Saturday. Alright. So looking over here. See what we got. I know it's messy as shit, okay? But fuck you. I don't care about your opinions. Okay. Get my toothbrush out the way. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright. Showering with shorts on. For the first time. I can't. Oh, shoot. Forgot my towel. Oh my gosh. Okay. Is this normal? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's sticking to my meat. Oh, this is a horrible idea. Oh my gosh. No, these are horrible pants. It's sticking to my meat. Ah, shit. Alright, grab some soap. Oh my gosh, this is a bad idea. But it must be done. It must be done. Good? Oh my gosh, bro. Get that soap. Put that shit on my... Oh my gosh, dude. Put on my pants real quick, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Alright, I think that this is a horrible idea, but I will be going back to oh shit. Oh my gosh. I should have brought a towel or something. Cause what is this? This is a horrible plan. Alright. Fucking wet. What the fuck are we doing, gang? Alright, hold on. Smart genius. Hello, chat. Oh my gosh. So that was a horrible idea, and that's not gonna be the first. That's not gonna be the last. Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. I didn't get to wash my hair, but you know, whatever. I don't give a fuck. Oh my gosh, bro. Streaming is a fucking chore, man. Alright. So this is the part that I said was gonna be boring. I call it clothing, putting on clothes. So give me a second. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, it's fucking cold. There's still water on my fucking skin. Yo, what the fuck, bro? No way I forgot to do my laundry. No way I forgot to do laundry. Oh my gosh. Balls. This is so fucking ass, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Change of plans. I'm going downstairs. I'm going to the dryer in the laundry room. And I'm getting some fucking clothes, man. Shit. Okay. We are here. Alright. Let me see. What? Okay. Alright. Okay. This shouldn't be too bad. Okay. I found a good substitute. Okay. There we go. Nice. Now I can fucking abandon that towel. It doesn't feel good, bro. Okay. Making them moves, man. All right. So the next step, found myself a shirt. You know what I'm saying? Holy moly, bitch. What do you mean you hate my heck? What? I don't even know that. Ooh. Okay. Now we're back. You know, you got some hats on, type shit. And now I look much more fucking presentable. Time to move everything that's on this fucking table. Alright, guys. This is it, man. Streamer quality. Okay. I just need like a fucking shirt. You know what? This should do. But no, it's my work shirt. I can't be wearing that. I'm gonna wear this. It's a nice white tee. You know, white is my favorite color. I think. Maybe it's purple. Maybe it's black. I ain't sure. Maybe it's red. Who knows? Put that shit on. You know. And then there you have it. That's a regular base fit. Usually I wear black shirts, but this is what we got today. Fit check. Oh, shit. My bad, you can't really see the... Damn. My fucking... Alright. Let me just fucking... Alright. I'm gonna take off the do-rag, you know. Fucking... Maybe I should wet my hair or some shit, man. Oh my gosh, my shit look dry as fuck. If I show this on camera, I will never, ever be happy again, bro. What the fuck? Oh shit, I think I just leaked it. Right. Nigga look like a smurf. Holy shit. Holy fucking moly. Okay. Let me just fucking wash my shit real quick. Don't peek, bitches. It's not for you. Oh, I actually look like a fucking muffin head, bro. Bro, how do these niggas do it, bro? How do they get niggas to watch their streams or whatnot? I haven't even unbanned that one dude. Kind of deserves to be unbanned. I don't know why I banned him, but, you know. You know how it is, man. Anger makes you do things that you probably shouldn't fucking do, you know? And no, there's no apology in order, but I will be unbanning that fuckhead. Because he's a good dude, you know what I'm saying? Type shit. Okay. I think I look stream worthy now. Who am I kidding? The fuck, bro? Alright, guys. Yeah, this shirt not it, gang. It looks a little droopy. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I might need to put the... What the fuck is the do-rag at? Okay. I think this is back to base form. Right? Is this base? I don't even know. Okay. I think I'll fucking do-rag. Oh, shit. That shit is wet. Damn it. Okay, here's the do-rag. Wet my shit enough, gang. My shot. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna put the do-rag back on. We will be resuming this adventure. Just hold on, give me a second. Oh shit, do-rag a little bit wet, but I don't give a fuck, man. I might change the shirt. It depends on how I feel. But I can't be going around with no droopy shirt, you know what I'm saying? What if we see fine shit in the fucking woods or forest or wherever the fuck we're going? In the walking place. And then I just got a droopy ass shirt. You know, that would be L moves right there. Just to quote my brother, smart dude, you know, genius type shit. You know, if you ain't smooth all the time, then you just a scrub type shit. I ain't no scrub, bro. So I'm gonna be hella smooth, pulling up like that type shit. All right. I don't know if this shirt the move though, but I don't know, gang. All right. This is gonna be fun. It's a beautiful day outside, or a beautiful morning, I guess you could say. Now we just gotta get some socks. Let me look for another sock. Okay, no, that's not a fucking match. Oh my gosh, where am I gonna find a matching pair of socks? Oh, please, bro, please pop up. Okay, I found one. I hope there's not a hole in this sock, gang. Alright, so why are we going outside? Why are we going for this walk? Why am I streaming this? Why don't I just do it myself? Because, oh shit, this shirt might be used type shit. I might have worn this the other day, so I might have to change this shit, gang. Okay, why are we doing this? It's not because of boredom, you know. It's for the grind. You know, lately I've had a certain motivation come about me, telling me to stand up, get to work type shit. And that they were telling me I should grind my ass off. You know, I seen a video of some dudes, you know, being super duper fucking successful. And I thought in my head, like, why can't that be me, you know? I mean, I deserve it. I deserve it more than that type shit. maybe it's of the matter of getting the mentality that I deserve it more than them. You know what I mean? How are you gonna be super successful if you don't think you deserve it? All right, let me see right here, bro. Oh my gosh, that fucking hurt my leg. All right, I can't find another shirt. There might be one downstairs. Okay. So yeah, we're done with upstairs. Am I missing anything? Nah, I don't think so. So now we're down here. Now we're bringing out the big guns. My favorite fucking slides, man. Woo. Oh shit, I missed. Alright. So now that we got slides, okay, back to the fit check. Yeah, this might not be the shirt for today. But, you know what I'm saying, we got the pajamas type shit. So as soon as we come back home, I can go straight back to sleep type shit. The slides that every nigga loves. And let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Come on, crew. Alright. My dad's still asleep. So we gotta be hella quiet. Nah, I'm trolling. That nigga's in his room. Alright. So, number one option, I should take glasses type shit. But this is corny as fuck. Who does that? I'm gonna put on some contacts type shit. So let's see what we got here. Just bought these hoes. Boom. Okay. Shit. After I put on these contacts, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna move on out. And try to do it sneakily so my dad doesn't come and try and get me. But, yeah. We're gonna be gone for at least an hour, maybe 2. We're gonna explore the beautiful, like, come out here. I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek at what we're gonna see. But with trees and beautiful nature. Look at this shit, gang. It's fucking beautiful, man. It's nature. La-dee-da. Okay, hold up. Let me fucking do this. Oh, wow, it's greener than before. What the fuck? Oh, my gosh. This is the world, man. This is literal life right here, dude. The sun is different colors. I mean, no, the sky. Okay, but, let's head back. I think that this is the form I'm gonna be streaming with mostly. I'm gonna be streaming like this. Okay. Yeah, this might be the best way to stream. I don't have my selfie stick, so perhaps it will be a little bit bumpy, which does seem like a fucking horrible idea. I could wait for my dad to wake up, but you know, I figured I'm gonna get this stream out the way the first 2 hours, and then I'm going to put it on fucking YouTube. We're gonna have fun. I do need to check if I need to censor anything. I hope not, gang, because I don't know how to fucking censor shit, gang. Okay, let me see this. So, we got here, got a mirror type shit. The other thing we got right here, some contacts. Take out these bad boys. We're finna start using them. Always gotta mog the mirror before you do anything. Smell your hands in case they smell like fucking, I don't even know. Soap? I don't know. Just smell your hands, bro. I don't know. I always do that. Maybe it's instinct. I don't fucking know. Gotta mog my mirror. Okay, don't say anything. Don't fucking speak. I need to focus. Come on. Okay. This is a delicate process. If you're not careful, you can fuck it up. Oh my gosh, this is my eye. Oh, we did it, bitch. Yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh, always some type of tears coming out, gang. Do that galore, bitch. Oh, I thought that was a shirt I could use, but we're gonna stick to white for now. You know, white might be the worst color for a shirt to be going outside to nature. But, oh my gosh, bro, fuck. Pick it up. Okay. I do need to stop cursing, by the way. Maybe I should stream my church visit. I don't know. Oh my guys. Okay. Ready to stream. We're ready to fucking go. Oh my gosh, my eye burns. It fucking burns. It fucking burns. Ah, shit. Okay. The good news is I found a replacement shirt. Okay. It stings a little bit, but we should be fine. Now, I could have put in the mic, but I'm too lazy to fucking figure that shit out. Okay, I hope this is a good enough shirt. I do like white though. White is a beautiful color, I think. Maybe I should stay with white. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Touch a tiger by the toe. Staying with white. I'm also too lazy to fucking change my shirt color. Okay. We got everything. We got our keys. We got house keys too. Let's fucking go. Okay. Probably gonna receive a call. He's gonna call me. He's gonna say, "I'm leaving for Paris now, son. Head on home. Where the fuck are you?" Something like that. Where the fuck is my car? Okay, there we go. Boom. There's my bitch. Look at my bitch right there, bro. This is my girl. This is my baby. Woo. Oh my gosh. This is my baby right here, man. Oh my. Oh, I call her Speed. I call her I call her lightning bitch. No, I call her Godspeed. Oh my gosh, that shit is tough. I knew I forgot something. I forgot to brush my teeth. So give me a second. Can't be out here with yellow motors. Should I eat breakfast? I don't know. It's 25 minutes. What if I stream for an hour and 25 minutes? Or an hour and 30 minutes? Shit, I blocked that. Oh my gosh, my keys. Please fucking work. That's what we're gonna do. I need to set a good example for you people. For you children out there. Breakfast is a key. It's key to a good life. I'll put you back. As a matter of fact, tilt you this way. Okay. Hello. Might come in the fridge. So we got boom. Boom. Okay. We got salmon. Good brain food, healthy for you. Let me see. We got yogurt. And there's breakfast. Okay, hold on a second. I'm back. So yeah. How? That's pretty fucking delicious. 10/10 food review. Matter of fact, I'm gonna grab an orange too. Cause this is some healthy food, you know what I'm saying? Some healthy ass shit. Y'all, here's a story for y'all. When I was a kid, you know, I was like the strongest dude at my school. And I was the fastest kid in kindergarten. The reason why? Because my mom, every day, would feed me porridge. I know there's no porridge on the table, but it's the truth. Okay? One orange a day keeps the devil away. Okay? That was almost clever. I said, that was almost pretty clever. Oh my gosh. It's like, the smell of the cutie is spicy. It's like destroying me. Okay, let's see this. Why does it taste like this? It tastes fucking horrible. There's seeds in this? Okay. Resuming what I was saying. Let's dig into this salmon. Always the favorite part of my day is eating this salmon. It's really fucking delicious. You know? Even got our fork. I don't know how it got there, it just spawned in. Oh my gosh, dude. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh my god.
Eat some salmon, y'all. Atlantic salmon. I'm putting all of y'all on peak. It's tastier than like, and healthier, of course, than like even fucking chips, dude. All right, last couple of pieces, then I'm gone. Holy shit, that is delicious. Okay, I'm gonna finish this yogurt. Maybe I'll drink milk. Nah, I'm gonna brush my teeth type shit. I'm done brushing my teeth. We heading on out. It's kind of sad, really. My short attention span stopped me from even exiting the front door. Was it my short attention span, or was it my need to have everything be perfect before I leave? The main factor resulting in me not leaving when I could have left earlier. Think about that. Mull over it. Tell me your thoughts. That was delicious. Okay. I will take care of that later. But first, brush time. You know, this is my normal morning routine. Oh shit, I fucking get mad every time I hear that. Beep, beep, beep. Like, holy hell. What do you want from me, dude? Batteries? Alright. We're gonna put this shit. Oh no, bro. Okay, that's fucking messy, I know. But shut the fuck up. Start there. Okay. Why is there another toothbrush over here? What the fuck? Okay. My dentist is watching me. Okay. That lady always wants me to do this, so here I am doing it. Five minutes, guys. Mary had a little one. Wait, what is the ABC? Cool Creek. Okay, we completed our task. It might be time to remove the shirt though. I ain't gonna lie. Because this shirt is starting to get annoying with how loose. Oh. Fuck. Okay. This might have been way easier with the selfie stick, but the selfie stick would have been heavier. You have to think about the positives, you know? perhaps my coming back resulted in this phenomenal change, which will make this video 10 times better. And what would that be? I ask you people as a question towards my life and my ethics and my morals and different things. Okay, now I'm just talking bullshit. Oh yeah, I feel much better. Boom. It's a whole transformation. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is fit the century. Okay, dude. I look like Duke Dennis a little bit, type shit. Okay. Let's fucking get out of here, man. Let's leave this place. My keys. My house keys, bitch. Okay, why the fuck are you so squeaky? Cause of the rain. Okay. Fucking close, please. Alright. It's a beautiful day outside. Around you. Oh my gosh, this is bone chillingly beautiful. Okay. I don't know, I mean, stream just cut off for no reason. Is my phone stuff not enough? But, okay. Okay, I don't know if this is a safe way to drive. I'm gonna put you right there. Okay, keep me safe. Okay. Oh, what the fuck is that? Okay. I can do this. If I just think and use my head, I can figure out where to put you. Over there. Over here. That might be the best option yet. Fuck! Okay. I found a shoe. It spawned in. I found this shoe. Oh my god. Fucking bullshit. Fuck. Come on, man. Where's the nigga supposed to put his camera? On the shoe. But okay. Oh shit, this might have worked out better than I fucking expected, no? Oh. Please! This looks like fucking ass cheeks. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna fucking put my phone right here. Because this will be a smart move. Shit. Bro, what the fuck? Ah! Oh my god, bro. Where the fuck do I put my phone at? Okay. I'm gonna put it through this loop right here. Dude. Yeah, we got it through that loop. Maybe I should have put it through 2 loops. But dude, this might be idea of the century. Idea of the century. This kind of looks like fucking ass cheese though. I'm fine. But let's make moves. Oh fuck. Yo, chill. Bro, this is so ass, dude. What is a nigga supposed to do? Golly! fuck? I wanted to drive and stream. So not another shoe I can use at my disposal. Like, come on, gang. Okay, so this is failing, right? This might not become a reality because I don't have my fucking selfie stick. That's some fucking bullshit, man. And okay, what if I put my shoe right here? Right here. Like this would be the best angle right here, right? This right here, maybe. But I know my shit is gonna fall because it's on some bullshit. What if I put it right here? Dude, stop doing this to me, gang. Please. Can you work, dude? This is some fucking bullshit. Okay, it works. Let's fucking go, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, I almost hit the curb. Let's go, bitch. Dun, dun, dun. Every fucking time I drive, nigga. Damn. The fuck is going on with stream? Alright, bro. I guess my Wi-Fi is not good enough. I'm gonna head over to YouTube. I'm gonna record this shit.